The postural disorders of disabled people resulting from sliding forwards from their seat can cause back and waist pain and often lead to more serious injuries. This problem usually brings similar challenges for the relatives and caregivers of the disabled. As the result of uncontrolled and frequent challenging of the waist and back throughout the day, experiencing problems such as herniated disc and slip disc are inevitable for caregivers in long-term care. Slide and lock non-slip chair pad is the most practical and safest solution for the recovery of a disabled person on the chair without taking help from others. Its cutting-edge design Slide and lock is a great aid to keep a safe and healthy sitting posture for the patients at all times. Slide and lock is a great aid to keep a safe and healthy sitting posture for the patients at all times.